Welcome to the top best. The best mini file cabinet is probably one of the most versatile and essential organizational tools for any home office or workspace, helping you declutter your desk and keep important documents easily accessible. In today's video, we're diving deep into what makes a mini file cabinet truly stand out, exploring its features, durability, and how it can transform your productivity and peace of mind. We'll be looking at various models to help you find the perfect fit for your needs, ensuring that your essential papers are always within reach and your workspace remains tidy and efficient. Number 5. VASAGLE 2-Drawer Rolling File Cabinet. Introducing a file cabinet with a classic, minimalist design that blends seamlessly with your office or home decor. It fits perfectly under most desks, saving valuable space. This cabinet offers plenty of storage with 2 spacious drawers, each capable of holding 90 to 130 sheets of documents. Adjustable rails accommodate both A4 and letter-size folders. Equipped with 5 360-degree swivel casters, it moves with ease. The front casters lock to keep it stationary, and an extra wheel enhances stability. Constructed from premium steel and sturdy particle board, this cabinet is built to last. It supports a significant weight, ensuring long-lasting use. Assembly is a breeze thanks to clearly labeled parts and illustrated instructions. You can start organizing your space in no time. What we like? This rolling file cabinet offers a classic, minimalist design that fits perfectly under most desks, saving valuable space. It features 360-degree swivel casters, with the front 2 being lockable, for easy maneuverability and stability. If you're looking for a blend of style and functionality to keep your documents organized without taking up too much room, this is a great choice. What people say? This is a great little cabinet for the price. It's sturdy and holds a lot of files. The drawers slide smoothly and it looks nice on my desk. I love this file cabinet. It's the perfect size for my small office and it fits all my important documents. The design is sleek and modern, and it doesn't take up too much space. This mini file cabinet is exactly what I was looking for. It's well made and the drawers are deep enough to hold standard file folders. It arrived quickly and was easy to assemble. Number 4. JALIELL Fireproof Document File Box with Lock. Safeguard your most important documents and valuables with our advanced fireproof and water-resistant file box. It's designed to withstand extreme temperatures and protect against both fire and water damage, ensuring everything stays safe and dry. Take your files anywhere with its portable and collapsible design. Featuring a sturdy adjustable handle, it offers a comfortable carrying experience and can be easily stored when not in use. It's perfect for home, office, or even travel. This spacious file box accommodates both letter and legal-sized documents, as well as other valuables like passports and digital media. Multiple pockets inside and out keep everything organized and easily accessible. Keep it clean with its anti-static exterior that repels dust. The reflective strip ensures you can easily locate it, even in the dark, providing an extra layer of security for your irreplaceable items. We are dedicated to providing the best protection for your important documents and valuables. Trust in our commitment to safety and quality to keep your peace of mind. What we like? This fireproof file box is designed to withstand extreme temperatures and water, protecting your most important documents and valuables. It features a portable, collapsible design with an adjustable handle for easy transport and storage. If you need to safeguard irreplaceable items like passports, birth certificates, or important financial documents from fire and water damage, this is the ultimate solution for peace of mind. What people say? The cabinet is very sturdy and well made. It has a good amount of storage space for its size. The drawers slide smoothly and are easy to open and close. Number 3. SISESOL 2-Drawer File Cabinet with Lock. Keep your sensitive documents and valuables safe with our secure lock system. This cabinet ensures your privacy and peace of mind. Effortlessly move this cabinet wherever you need it. With smooth rolling wheels and lockable casters, it offers flexible placement and stability. Access your files with ease. The full extension drawers glide smoothly, allowing you to reach all your documents, whether letter, legal, or A4 size. Built to last, this cabinet features sturdy metal construction with an anti-rust finish. Its closed drawer design also keeps unwanted pests out. Get set up in no time. With clearly labeled parts and easy-to-follow instructions, assembly is quick and hassle-free. What we like? This metal filing cabinet offers secure storage with a built-in lock system, perfect for sensitive documents. Its mobile design includes 360-degree rotating wheels and lockable casters, plus a center caster for added stability, making it easy to move under your desk. If you require secure, easily accessible storage for both letter and legal size files and appreciate a sturdy metal construction, this cabinet is an excellent option for your home office. What people say. The drawers slide smoothly. It's a sturdy cabinet and holds a good amount of files. The compact size is perfect for my small desk. Number 2. Mount It, slim 3-drawer rolling file cabinet. Maximize your workspace with this slim cabinet, designed to fit perfectly under your desk or in tight corners. It offers ample storage without taking up valuable room. This cabinet features 3 drawers capable of storing letter, legal, and A4 hanging folders. The top drawer even includes a handy pencil tray for your essential supplies. Keep your confidential files and valuables safe with the built-in lock that secures all 3 drawers simultaneously. It's ideal for both home and shared office spaces. Move it anywhere with ease thanks to the 4 360-degree swivel casters. 2 locking casters ensure it stays stable when you need it to. Built for daily use, this cabinet boasts heavy-gauge steel construction with a scratch-resistant finish. An anti-tip will add an extra layer of safety. Enjoy whisper-quiet gliding with its ball-bearing tracks. The hidden recessed pulls offer a sleek, modern look that complements any office decor. Use it as an underdesk pedestal, a drawer organizer, or a standalone storage unit. It's available in black and white to match your workspace. What we like. This slim filing cabinet is designed to fit under desks and in tight corners, maximizing your workspace. It features a built-in lock that secures all 3 drawers simultaneously, ensuring your confidential files are protected. If you have limited space and need a compact yet secure filing solution with smooth, quiet drawer operation, this is an ideal choice for a tidy and organized office. What people say. The height is perfect for me because I can set it up under my desk. All drawers are silent closing, which other options only would offer maybe 1 or 2 of the drawers with this feature. It's quite sturdy and easy to use. It's mostly pre-assembled and you only have to install the legs wheels. Number 1. Linen collapsible file box with lid, gray. Introducing the perfect storage solution for your important documents and paperwork. This decorative box adds a soft accent to any room with its elegant linen design. No matter your filing system, this organizer is designed to accommodate both letter and legal-sized files. Keep all your paperwork neatly organized and easily accessible. When not in use, this container conveniently collapses down for effortless storage. Save space without compromising on functionality. Easily carry your files with built-in handles. It's durable enough to stack multiple boxes, and the label window makes organization a breeze. It's also great for toys or closet accessories. This package includes 1 gray file box, ready to help you declutter your home or office. Please note that file folders are not included. What we like. This linen file organizer offers a decorative design that adds a soft accent to any room while storing important documents. It's collapsible for easy storage when not in use and features carrying handles for portability, as well as being stackable for versatile organization. If you're looking for a stylish, space-saving storage solution that can hold letter or legal files and also double as a decorative accent piece, this is a fantastic choice for your home office. What people say. Very sturdy, nice looking, and very much as I expected. Nice and strong for normal files including the top. They look sharp on the shelf. These are great storage file bins. Strong, sturdy, and great looking. Hanging folders work well on them. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.